Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the news at Commodity TV, and we start in the new year, and of course to all our viewers a happy and prosperous new year 2019. Bluestone Resources announced initial assays from the ongoing 3,500 meter infill drilling program at their high-grade Cerro Blanco gold project in Guatemala. They obtained results like 3 meters with over 16 grams gold per ton and intercepted new veins which will convert and upgrade their resources again, like last September when they defined 360,000 ounces gold in the inferred category. Aside the upgrade of the resources, they want to define new resources along the veins in the mine plan that extend the outside of the current resource envelope. In addition, they drilled new mineralized veins and assayed 2.7 meters, for example, with plus 12 grams gold per ton. 2 drill rigs are drilling within the north zone of the Cerro Blanco underground workings and are targeting specific areas of veins in the upper part of the Cerro Blanco, and certain veins with indicated resources are expected to be upgraded into measured resources where drill density is sufficient. Bluestone is steadily working towards production, and honestly, we like the progress a lot. Copper Mountain just released their Q4 and full year production for 2018. The Copper Mountain mine produced almost 79 million pounds of copper for the full year 2018 and achieved the production guidance of 76 to 84 million pounds of copper. The copper equivalent production was 92.4 million pounds, including 28,250 ounces of gold and 273,910 ounces of silver. The mill throughput averaged approximately 40,000 tons per day, with a solid copper recovery of 80%. The copper production for the fourth quarter 2018 was the strongest quarter in 2018 as they had planned. Production was 20.6 million pounds of copper, 8,125 ounces of gold and 62,710 ounces of silver, for a total of 24.5 million pounds of copper equivalent. The 3-year guidance is solid, ranging in 2019 to be between 72 and 80 million pounds of copper. Mine grade recovers strongly in the latter years, with production expected to be between 86 to 95 million pounds in 2020 and 81 to 89 million pounds of copper in 2021. Solid numbers and solid steady growth. This guidance does not include any production from the new Ingerbell pit, which could give the numbers a very positive surprise in the future. So we remain very positive on Copper Mountain as a great option to benefit from rising copper prices in the near future. White Gold Corporation announced drill results from their Betty property in the Yukon in Canada. A lot of drill holes across several target areas encountered near-surface gold mineralization along the eastern extension of the Coffee Creek Fault, which hosts the adjacent Coffee deposit owned by Goldcorp, which is currently being developed as an open pit and heap leach gold mine, with commercial production anticipated to begin in 2021. These results represent a new discovery on a previously undrilled target, discovered through the company's systematic and data-driven regional exploration program backed by prominent partners like Agnico Eagle and Kinross. The Betty 4 target returned, for example, over 1 gram gold per ton over 50 meters from a depth of only 4.5 meters. At the Betty White target, gold mineralization was intersected in every hole, with individual results ranging from trace to 3.6 grams gold per ton. The gold mineralization encountered across multiple target areas highlights the large-scale potential of the mineralized system, with additional targets remaining undrilled. The Betty property is contiguous to the Coffee project owned by Goldcorp and hosted in the same regional structure, with very limited drill testing performed on the Betty property to date. The proximity of the new discoveries to Goldcorp and also Western Copper and Gold might raise some M&A interest in the future from the majors. Who knows? We sit there and wait for it. White Gold keeps on with great results, and their exploration methods so far brought great shareholder value. We are positive for White Gold too. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.